Here we have Benchmade's Griptilian and Mini Griptilian. These are the upgraded versions of the grip and mini grip. These are in CPM 20 CV with a beautiful blue and gray G10 liner and handle scale. And they offset it. This is one of the only grips they do that has spacers as opposed to the entire integral back bit that the grips typically do. Still in axis lock, so absolutely great mechanism. 20 CV is a great super steel. It'll take and hold an edge incredibly well. And honestly, these have all the great attributes that the regular grips have, except just a little bit nicer. G10's a bit nicer than the FRN they typically use. 20 CV is a bit nicer than the S30V that they typically use, and it's just a great all-around nice upgrade to a very classic line of Benchmade knives. Take a look at the website for our current pricing and all of the sizing information. Thanks for watching.